are here in the city of Fontana celebrating to get more women involved in manufacturing. There's a real stigma that women don't belong in manufacturing, and we're going to bust that door wide open today.
We've got some incredible technologies, lots of robotics that are coming into manufacturing to produce the customer demand, and women are involved in those technologies.
This organization is one that brings people together and give us a leg up and open doors that otherwise are hard to open.